Reserve your 18.8 million home today by paying just 500,000 rupees. Mulberry Residence.
Members of 41 farmers associations in Murugakanda are staging a hunger fast for the 7th day today. The hunger fast is taking place at the Bakamuna Junction. Members of more farmers associations marched to the site of the hunger fast this afternoon.
The entire country is demanding to listen to the farmers' demands. I am requesting for chemical fertilizer to be given to farmers. Otherwise, farmers are ready to stage a fast unto death campaign. We are requesting them to avoid pushing us to make that decision. The All Island Agriculture Instructors Trade Union Federation convened a media briefing today.
අපි අවසාන වශයෙන් ඉල්ලුවා කුෂිකාර මැතිවරයාගෙන් අපිට කන්න 6ක කාලයක් දෙන්න මේක ක්‍රමයෙන් ක්‍රියාත්මක කරන්න.
We are requesting the minister to implement this decision over a period of 6 cultivating seasons. The experts in the agriculture department have clearly outlined how this must be implemented based on a scientific process. But the authorities have disregarded the scientific advice and are acting according to their own wishes. This program has failed as a result of that. Those involved in the agriculture sector are implementing the government's policy. We wish to tell farmers that what we are teaching you is not the right technology that has been implemented after scientific tests are conducted by the agriculture department. We are teaching you a technology that was taught to us by some foreign entities. We are not responsible for that. What is the cost of the compost fertilizer that is imported to the country? Don't blame the agriculture department and its officials if your harvest reduces.
කෘෂිකර්ම දෙපාර්තමේන්තුවේ එකදු නිලධාරියෙකුටවත් ඔබ විසින් වගකීම පවරන්න එපා.
It has been 10 days since Sri Lanka received the stock of nano-liquid urea fertilizer manufactured by the Indian Farmers Fertilizer Cooperative Company in Gujarat, India. Agriculture Secretary Udita K. Jayasinghe said the stock of fertilizer has been distributed to places including Ampara, Anuradhapura and Polonnaruwa. However, when will the remaining fertilizer required for the Maha cultivation season be distributed? News First inquired on this matter from the Secretary to the Agriculture Ministry, Professor Udita K. Jayasinghe. He said a stock of nano-urea fertilizer is to be imported to the island from India in the coming days. He added that a portion of the stock will be brought to the country through air freight, with the remaining stock being brought by ship. News First also contacted the chairman of the Colombo Commercial Fertilizer Company on the matter. He said a stock of fertilizer will be imported next week. This would be the remaining portion of the fertilizer stock that was imported previously.
They
have not categorized it as organic or chemical fertilizer. Recommendations regarding it has not been issued. We are paying India to import water instead of nano-liquid urea fertilizer. We are not saying this. It is the professors who are saying this. According to the information we have received, the government has not even obtained the technical certificates to distribute the product. The government has also committed several crimes. They have ruined organic farming. Meanwhile, Agriculture Minister Mahindananda Aluthgamage expressed the following views regarding organic fertilizer during an event in Harispattuwa today.
We can give them food but not brains. They are insulting me when we are trying to give them a meal without poison. There are several allegations against the government. If they prove that the allegations that the president and the government had looted public funds, I will resign from politics. People are at home because of the pandemic. They say Sir has failed. It seems he has failed after doing the right thing. They might say he passed if he does the wrong thing.
Sir fail. එතුමා මේ වගේ වැඩ කරාම ෆේල් තමයි. ඉතින් අර තමුන්නාන්සලා කියන විදියට වැරදි දේ කරා නම් පාස්.